As a teacher, I come across lot of students coming out for some kind of help, some kind of support, and I do counsel. बच्चे आते हैं, बात करते हैं, they come and share their problem, they share their efforts and how they are frustrated in their efforts. और कुछ horror stories होती हैं about the amount of money they have spent, the amount of time they have spent. कुछ बच्चों ने they come from very, very difficult backgrounds, sometimes even selling the land, houses. It's actually very humbling कि इतने ज़्यादा पैशन के साथ बच्चे आते हैं, मेहनत करते हैं एंड दे विलिंग टू टेक ऑल दैट पेन, द स्ट्रगल. बट आई थिंक सम ऑफ द मोस्ट painful stories are those of students not being able to qualify prelims, not able to qualify the first stage. जब आप लोग आते हैं इस करियर के ambition में, I'm sure while you want to qualify, but the satisfaction is also there if you can clear the mains, see the interview at least. Prelims नहीं qualify करना is unfortunate. Because while it's right, the UPSC is tough, the questions are tough, but ऐसा भी नहीं है कि UPSC asks random questions. ये बहुत बार सुना है हम लोगों ने, UPSC is unpredictable public service commission, UPSC asks anything under the sun, UPSC is a very flawed system. Of course, I agree that UPSC perfect system तो नहीं है, it has its own gaps. There are examples where UPSC has definitely made mistakes in question selections या फिर at least answers के में लिस्टिंग में. But prelims इतना भी unpredictable नहीं है. और अगर हम कट ऑफ देखें, see if you have a cut off in the range of 88-90 और आपका अपना स्कोर 85 है, 87 है, 83 है, तो I can understand it's matter of luck. 2-3 क्वेश्चन ऊपर नीचे हो गया and you could have been through. बट कट ऑफ 88-90 है और आपके स्कोर्स हैं 40, 50, 60s में भी, 70s में भी. कट ऑफ से आपका मार्क 10-15 मार्क पीछे है, तो फिर कोई प्रॉब्लम है प्रिपरेशन में. There's some problem in how you are attempting the questions, या आपका रिकॉल का प्रॉब्लम है, या some problem in how you are practicing before the examination. So I can't assure you कि आप qualify पक्का कर जाएंगे, but there's a method you can follow. At least come close to cut off. And we had some surveys done by students who have qualified, toppers का surveys हमने किया है. And we found most people who give the mains, उनका prelim score on an average is 5 to 10 marks above the cutoff. A cutoff 90 है, तो 9500 काफ़ी तादाद में बच्चे रखते हैं. And that's a huge gap. जहाँ आपका स्कोर 50, 60, 70 में है out of the prelim score of 200, the students were scoring 100, were scoring 120, 110, 95, even if 5 marks above the cutoff. So ये एक बहुत important realization है. Because see, when we are talking about UPSC examination and we conveniently blame UPSC is unpredictable और questions कुछ भी पूछ लेते हैं, तो क्या हो रहा है कि हम लोग एक टाइप का ना रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हम ले नहीं रहे हैं कि there is a problem in our preparation process. Somewhere we are more comfortable, शायद a bit more naive to accept the idea कि हमारी preparation तो अच्छी है, but UPSC has a problem. So you are starting with the prelim cycle 26 के लिए. हम चाहेंगे कि आप थोड़ा इस इशू को डीपली समझें, इस इशू को डीपली एनालाइज करें कि प्रॉब्लम ऑफ प्रिपरेशन इज actually the problem of how you manage the workload, how you manage the humongous amount of content, current affairs, static reading, books reading, NCERT reading. A lot of problem happens because आप एक proper timeline target के साथ prepare नहीं कर रहे हैं. And a common mistake मुझे लगता है कि बच्चे UPSC का डिज़ाइन नहीं समझते हैं. There's only one way of knowing the UPSC design of the examination. You have to study the question papers. हम जब भी बोलते हैं कि students must analyze the question paper, students must study the question paper, you interpret it as we must solve the question paper. Solution तो of course आपको करना ही चाहिए, but I think more important is आप questions में pattern ढूंढें, questions किस टाइप के themes को repeat कर रहे हैं वो ढूंढें, questions का language क्या है आप वो समझें. So study of question paper एक बहुत important step है. And despite lot of rigorous process हमने set किया है as a part of our prelims program कि आप लोग question paper analyze करें, students don't do it. Many of them don't even know the meaning of what is analysis of question paper. तो ये कुछ gaps है, try to work on it and I'll be more than happy to support you. We have a prelim support program. We started from December 15th. अगला module शुरू होने वाला polity का from December the 29th. Do join us in the process and let me see if I can help you in some ways. Let me see if I can organize your preparation some ways. Okay, so UPSC का प्रिपरेशन आप कम से कम अगर सीरियस एस्पिरेंट है, ये माने नहीं कि यूपीएससी अनप्रिडिक्टेबल है. You start the assumption कि no, it is manageable, it is predictable, there's a process to it, and then start preparing. Shabir from Educami, supporting you for your prelims 2026.